Good afternoon. This is Michael Mitchell with Madison County Weather Updates. We'll take a quick look at the weather ahead and kind of do a video 7-day forecast for you. Um, I'll try to keep this as short as possible. Look at the Bering Sea because I always want to take a look at that, and we can see back way back here where Indiana would kind of equate back over there. There's a huge trough dipping in back here that kind of came through a couple of days ago. Ahead of that, there was a warm surge up there, so right, which would time out right around Thanksgiving. Some of the model data is kind of starting to see that. So at the around the Thanksgiving time, we do expect a quick warm surge, but you can see cold will filter right back in. What we're seeing right there would uh, time out right at the end of the month or beginning of December. We're also kind of looking here in the western U.S. at this system right here that's going to eject and come out into the Ohio Valley here over the next few days. The question is, actually, it would come through from during the day on Tuesday, really for us. Question: There's a lot of model discrepancy on this. I'm going to show you the GFS model, which is the most aggressive, and we can see this from 7 a.m. Tuesday morning through 10 p.m. Tuesday evening. GFS puts down a decent amount of snow. And now the caveat to that is that the European is farther northwest, as is the Canadian, and the so far the Canadian and NAM high res models are actually splitting the energy, which I don't think is valid, but we'll see. But this I would take this as a greatest case scenario for snowfall on Tuesday. But again, there's a good chance it's actually going to fall farther northwest toward Lafayette or so. But we'll keep an eye on it and we'll keep snowfall in the forecast. Temperatures that day are going to make a big difference as well. Um, as we saw yesterday with the snowfall, once the snow was falling, there was some dynamic cooling, and where the air temperature would look like it might be around, um, you know, the upper 30s or so. It ended up staying, I think our high here in North Anderson was 33 yesterday. So the snow can affect the temperatures. So, and temperatures can affect the snow. So we'll just have to wait and see how models had no clue on yesterday's snow all the way up to the morning of it happening. So we'll just keep an eye on that. And we'll move 7-day forecast. Tomorrow we expect it to be nice with clouds increasing later in the day. High right around 40 degrees. Tonight we do expect a low in the lower 20s if clouds kind of stay out of the area. I wouldn't be surprised with some of us drop into the upper teens tonight. If clouds kind of move in and hang around, it'll keep the temperatures a little warmer overnight. Again, cloud cover at night tends to keep temperatures warmer, and during the day it tends to keep temperatures cooler. And then we'll see this system moving in on Tuesday. Again, we're kind of going to watch it. It may, right now I'm going to kind of hang us with the 1 to 3 inch snowfall chance based on kind of what happened yesterday and the fact that cold air just above the surface is already going to be here. It's just a matter of where that storm system tracks. As we'll see lingering snow showers during the day Wednesday and Thursday. I wouldn't be surprised if some of those find a way to accumulate at times as well. Just quick dustings, that would happen. Temperatures are going to be staying a little bit colder, so as we get on into the week, so if we get a heavy enough snow shower, it could affect some roadways. Beyond Thursday, we're going to see some of the coldest air. Well, it will be the coldest air of the season. We're expecting lows in the low to mid teens Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and highs that are going to struggle to hit 30 degrees really from Thursday on. So we got a cold pattern coming. Again, just outside of the 7-day forecast, I do expect us to have a quick warm surge right around Thanksgiving, maybe starting about that Wednesday and maybe ending around Friday or Saturday after Thanksgiving. It's not going to be a long one. We may warm up into the lower 50s. It also may come with some rainfall on Thanksgiving. That's all still a long way out. We'll see how that all plays out and as we get a little bit closer. And I'll update, of course, on snow chances or lack thereof for Tuesday as we get into tomorrow. So, with all that said, this is Micah Mitchell with Madison County Weather Updates. One last thing. I'm seriously considering expanding coverage because donations aren't that good right now. I'm not losing money. I'm thankful for that, but donations have gotten really slow, and I don't want to keep begging you guys for it. So I may end up expanding the area that I cover, which will reduce the hyper local activity or forecast for Madison County. I haven't decided on that yet, but I may end up changing what I'm doing with this page in order to maybe expand the coverage and take care of donations that way. So in the meantime, if you do donate, I thank you, thank you, thank you. I thank our sponsors. You're the only reasons that this page is still going. If you don't donate, again, you can go check out the pin post on Facebook and on Twitter, and for the ways that you can donate or subscribe to the page and support us, help keep this thing going and help it get better. I do have a new laptop. As you saw, I was doing a little bit of drawing. I still have to learn on this. I'll get better with that, and I'll start producing some better content for you. So with all that said, this is Micah Mitchell with Madison County Weather Updates. Have a great day.